A very good morning, everyone. This is the beautiful world of science and technology. I welcome you all for the next chapter of biology. The name of the chapter is environmental management. So, before enter into the chapter, what are the concept we cover from the chapter. तो आज का सेशन एक नए चैप्टर के साथ स्टार्ट होता है. बायोलॉजी का ये लास्ट चैप्टर रहेगा फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर का. तो आफ्टर बायोलॉजी वी गो विथ फिजिक्स. इस चैप्टर के बाद हमें क्या है, फिजिक्स के साथ जाना है. So before entering the chapter, what are the concept we cover from the chapter. चैप्टर में जाने से पहले हमें कौन से कंसेप्ट के बारे में इस चैप्टर में डिस्कस करना है, इसके बारे में हम एक देख लेंगे. तो फर्स्ट वन कंसेप्ट इज वेदर एंड क्लाइमेट. The first one concept is weather and climate. So what is the role of weather and climate in our life, and what is the meaning of weather and the climate? Next one, solid waste management. Solid waste management. Number third, meteorology. Meteorology. Last one concept is disaster management. Disaster management. So these are the concept we study in the chapter. In the chapter, we learn about weather and the climate, solid waste management, meteorology, and the disaster management. Now see one by one. एक एक करके इसके बारे में हमें चैप्टर में क्या है डिस्कशन कर लेना है. सो बिफोर स्टार्टिंग आवर चैप्टर, कैन यू रिकॉल समथिंग. चैप्टर स्टार्ट करने से पहले हमें कुछ क्वेश्चंस के बारे में क्या करना है, हमें आंसर देना है. द फर्स्ट वन क्वेश्चन, हाउ डज द एटमॉस्फेयर अफेक्ट आवर डेली लाइफ. So what is the role of atmospheric conditions in our daily life, and how does the atmosphere affect our daily life. हमारे ऊपर एटमॉस्फेयर का किस तरह से इफेक्ट होता है, ये हमें जान लेना बहुत जरूरी है. So climate surrounding us has a great impact on our life. Understand? So in our surrounding atmosphere and the climatic conditions has a great impact on our life. जो हमारे शरीर में जो एटमॉस्फेयर है उसका हमारे लाइफ के ऊपर क्या हो तो बहुत बड़ा क्या है इम्पैक्ट है. Our diet, clothing, festival, health, lifestyle, etc. all are the related to the climatic conditions around us. Now see, our diet, our clothing, our festivals, our health, our lifestyle is mainly depending upon the climatic condition around us. Our lifestyle, our daily activities are mainly depending upon the climatic conditions. We are doing different kinds of the work in a farm, in a other factories, and in the other field is mainly depending upon the climatic conditions around us. हमारी लाइफ में जो भी डेली हम काम करते हैं, कुछ वर्क करते हैं, जो भी हम ये कर लेते हैं, ये किसके ऊपर डिपेंड है, इज मेनली डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशंस. अंडरस्टैंड? सो क्लाइमेट surrounding us has a great impact in our life. Our diet, our clothing, our lifestyle, next one, our festivals, our health, all are related to the climatic conditions. ये सभी जो एक्टिविटीज है वो किसके ऊपर डिपेंड है, तो डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशंस. अंडरस्टैंड? नेक्स्ट वन क्वेश्चन, forecast about which weather related factors are given during the news bulletins or Doordarshan and the Akashvani. Now see, all the media give the forecast about the weather. There are number of news channels play an important role in the communication system, and all this media give forecast about the weather. आज कहाँ पर कितना टेम्परेचर रहेगा, कौन से राज्य में कितनी बारिश होने वाली है, इस तरह का जो इस एरिया में किस तरह से एटमॉस्फेरिक कंडीशन रहेगा, वी कैन इजीली अंडरस्टैंड विद द हेल्प ऑफ न्यूज एंड द मीडिया. तो मीडिया के माध्यम से हमें क्या चलता है, किसी अदर प्लेस के बारे में इन्फॉर्म हमें किया जाता है। द वैल्यूज फॉर रिलीजनल ह्यूमिडिटी एंड द टेम्परेचर आर डिक्लेयर्ड डेली along with the forecast for the rains. Now see, the temperature and the humidity of a different area are declared daily along with the forecast for the rain. तो रेन आने वाली है नहीं, उसका टेम्परेचर कितना रहेगा, उस एरिया का जो टेम्परेचर कितना रहेगा, ह्यूमिडिटी कितना रहेगी, यू कैन एक्सप्लेन, यू कैन इजिली अंडरस्टैंड विद द हेल्प ऑफ मीडिया. सो मीडिया प्ले वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल इन आवर लाइफ. तो हमारी लाइफ में मीडिया का भी क्या बोलते तो बहुत बड़ा क्या है रोल है. लिसन अराउंड द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, हाउ डज द एटमॉस्फेयर अफेक्ट आवर डेली लाइफ. हमारे लाइफ के ऊपर एटमॉस्फेयर का किस तरह से इफेक्ट होता है. So first write the question. How does the atmosphere atmosphere affect our daily life? Affect our daily life. Affect our daily life. So write the answer. Climate surrounding us. Climate surrounding us. Climate surrounding us has great impact. Has great impact on our life. On our life. Now see, climate surrounding us has a great impact on our life. हमारे जो सराउंडिंग में जो क्लाइमेट है इसका हमारे लाइफ के ऊपर क्या बोलते तो बहुत क्या है, ग्रेट क्या है, इम्पैक्ट है. Our diet, clothing, festivals, health, lifestyle, etc. all are related to the climatic conditions. Climatic conditions around us. Now, our diet, clothing, festivals, health, lifestyle, etc. are related to the climatic conditions around us. Understand? So all the activities in our daily life are mainly depending upon the climatic conditions around us. Understand? Now, so the next one question. Factors about which weather related factors are given during the news bulletin or Doordarshan and the Akashvani. Now see, forecast about weather. And the next one question, it's a forecast about which weather related forecast about which weather related factors are given during the news bulletins on Doordarshan and Akashvani and Akashvani. Now see, All the media give forecast about the weather. All the media give forecast about weather. Forecast about weather. Next one, the values for regional humidity. The values for regional humidity and temperature are declared daily along with the forecast for the rain. Forecast for the rain. Listen. These are the can you recall questions. हमें क्या है can you recall करने के लिए ये दो क्वेश्चंस हमें पूछे गए थे. So now let's start our syllabus. अब हम अपना क्या है सिलेबस स्टार्ट कर लेते हैं. द फर्स्ट कंसेप्ट इज वेदर एंड द क्लाइमेट. हमारा जो फर्स्ट कंडीशन ये रहेगा वो क्या है. फर्स्ट वन इज वेदर एंड द क्लाइमेट. सो नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट. द फर्स्ट वन कंसेप्ट इज व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ अ वेदर एंड व्हाट इज द रोल ऑफ अ वेदर एंड ऑन विच फैक्टर्स वेदर डिपेंड. वेदर किस फैक्टर्स के ऊपर डिपेंड रहता है इसके बारे में हमें जान लेना है. सो वेदर रिलेटेड क्लाइमेटिक फैक्टर्स. लेट्स स्टार्ट फर्स्ट वन. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ weather. The first one concept is weather. What is the meaning of a weather and define weather. weather बोले तो क्या उसका definition क्या रहेगा इसका मुझे. Weather. Now see what is the meaning of weather. Atmospheric conditions at a specific time at a particular place are referred to as the weather. Now see, the atmospheric condition at a specific time at a particular place are referred to as the weather. जो हमारा एटमॉस्फेरिक कंडीशन रहता है एक स्पेसिफिक टाइम में एक पर्टिकुलर प्लेस के ऊपर उसको हमें क्या कहना बोले तो वेदर कहना है. द एटमॉस्फेरिक कंडीशन एट a specific time at a particular place are referred to as a weather. Atmospheric conditions depend upon the variety of factors. Now see, the atmospheric conditions are depending upon the variety of factors. जो हमारा सराउंडिंग एटमॉस्फेरिक कंडीशन है ये किसके ऊपर डिपेंड रहता है. इट्स मेनली डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ द फैक्टर्स. अंडरस्टैंड. सो व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ वेदर. एटमॉस्फेरिक कंडीशंस at specific time at a particular place is called as the weather. एक स्पेसिफिक टाइम में एक पर्टिकुलर प्लेस के ऊपर वेदर का ये होना एटमॉस्फेयर का ये होना उसको हमें क्या कहना बोलो तो वेदर कहना है. एटमॉस्फेरिक कंडीशंस एट ए स्पेसिफिक टाइम एट अ पर्टिकुलर प्लेस इज कॉल्ड एज द वेदर. एटमॉस्फेरिक कंडीशन डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द वैरायटी ऑफ फैक्टर्स. जो हमारा एटमॉस्फेरिक कंडीशन है वो किसके ऊपर डिपेंड है. इज मेनली डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द वैरायटी ऑफ फैक्टर्स. सो राइट डाउन एटमॉस्फेरिक कंडीशंस. So atmospheric conditions at a specific time at a particular place are referred to as weather. Understand? Atmospheric conditions at a specific time at a particular place are referred to as a weather. Understand? Now see, We frequently express our opinion about the weather. We frequently express our opinion about the weather by making statement like today is too cold or it is very hot today. So we are expressing our opinion about the weather like a statement today it is too cold, it is very hot. हम अपना जो एक्सप्रेस ये है ओपिनियन है वेदर के से हम किस तरह से एक्सप्लेन करते हैं, आज बहुत क्या है ठंडी है, आज बहुत क्या बोलो तो हॉट हो रहा है. So we are frequently express our opinion about the weather by making statement like today it is too cold, it is very or it is very hot. आज का एटमॉस्फेरिक कंडीशन क्या बोलो तो बहुत ही क्या है कोल्ड है और बहुत ही क्या बोलो तो हॉट है. Understand? Now see, weathers depend upon the prevailing conditions of the air. Now see, so weather is mainly depending upon the prevailing conditions of the air. The climate of a particular region is the average of a daily readings of various weather related parameters recorded for the several years. Hence, climate is a long-term predominant condition of the atmosphere. So, climate is a long predominant conditions of the atmosphere. Now see, so on which factors atmospheric conditions are depend. कौन से फैक्टर के ऊपर atmospheric conditions क्या बोलो तो डिपेंड है. तो factors depending the weather of a place. Now see, so which factor deciding the weather of a place. एक प्लेस के ऊपर जो वेदर है वो कौन से फैक्टर डिसाइड करते हैं. Now see, factor deciding the next one concept, factor deciding the weather of place. Weather of a place. So which factor deciding the weather of a place. कौन से फैक्टर वेदर को क्या बोलते हो डिसाइडिंग करते हैं उस प्लेस के. द फर्स्ट वन नाउ सी टेम्परेचर. नंबर फर्स्ट रहेगा अपना टेम्परेचर. नंबर टू ह्यूमिडिटी. थर्ड विजिबिलिटी. Now, fourth one, rainfall. Fifth one, clouds, sunlight, and atmospheric pressure. And atmospheric pressure. Atmospheric pressure. Now see, so these factor deciding the weather of a place. एक प्लेस के ऊपर जो वेदर का कंडीशंस रहता है कौन से फैक्टर डिसाइड करते हैं बोलो तो. सो फर्स्ट वन इज अ टेम्परेचर. नेक्स्ट वन इज ह्यूमिडिटी, विजिबिलिटी, रेनफॉल, क्लाउड्स, सनलाइट एंड द एटमॉस्फेयर. So these factor deciding the weather of a place. So these factors are responsible for the weather condition at a place. So temperature, humidity, visibility, rainfall, clouds, sunlight, and the atmospheric are the main factors which is deciding the weather at a place. Understand? Now, the next one. Change in weather. The next one is a change in weather. So, I have to understand what is the meaning of a weather and which factor deciding the weather at a place. ध्यान में रखिए वेदर का मीनिंग क्या होता है. Atmospheric condition at a specific time at a particular place is called as the weather. Temperature, humidity, rainfall, atmospheric pressure, sunlight, visibility are the factor deciding the weather at a place. Now see, change in weather. Weather change होता है या नहीं हमें देखना है. So usually climate does not change continuously. It remains constant in a region for a longer duration. Now see, so usually climate does not change. Usually climate क्या होता है change नहीं होता है. Not change continuously. It remains constant. Climate does not change continuously. It remains constant in a region for a long duration. Long duration तक अपना क्या होता है climate क्या है change नहीं होता है. Listen, let's see So what are the importance of weather in the living world? Understand? So what is the main role of weather in the living world? तो लिविंग वर्ल्ड में वेदर का क्या रोल है ये हमें डिस्कशन कर लेना है एंड व्हाट आर द इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ वेदर इन आवर डेली लाइफ. नाउ सी, so what are the importance of weather for a living world? Importance of weather for living world. Now see, so what is the main role of weather for the living world and what are the importance of a living world? Human lifestyle is directly or indirectly depends upon the climatic condition, land, water bodies, plants, and the animals collectively form the natural environment on the earth, which is responsible for the development of the living organism. So we know that lifestyle of a human being is directly or indirectly depends upon the atmospheric condition. जो हमारे ह्यूमन का लाइफ है वो डायरेक्टली और इनडायरेक्टली किसके ऊपर डिपेंड है? इज मेनली डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द एटमॉस्फेरिक कंडीशंस. लैंड, वेदर बॉडीज, प्लांट्स एंड एनिमल्स कलेक्टिवली फॉर्म द नेचुरल एनवायरनमेंट ऑन द अर्थ. लैंड, वाटर बॉडीज, जो प्लांट्स है, एनिमल्स है, कलेक्टिवली क्या होते हैं? नेचुरल एनवायरनमेंट क्या है? अर्थ के ऊपर रेडी करते हैं, which is responsible for the development of the living organism. So the atmospheric conditions responsible for the development of a living organism. So हर एक living organism का लाइफ किसके ऊपर डिपेंड है? Is mainly depending upon the atmosphere conditions. So land, plants, animals collectively form the natural environment on the earth. And this environment play a very important role for each and every living organism on the earth's surface. And so next one, the diet, clothing, housing, occupation, and the lifestyle of the people of that region is entirely depend on the prevailing climatic condition. Now see, the diet, clothing, housing, occupations, and lifestyle of the people that region is entirely depending upon the climatic condition. Thus, the type of lifestyle is decided by the climate. Now see, the type of lifestyle is decided by the climatic conditions. Now see, our daily activities of our different kinds of the occupations, our diets, our clothing, our housing, all these activities of the human life is mainly depending upon the climatic conditions. And the type of climate decide the lifestyle. Now see, हमारा जो लाइफस्टाइल का टाइप है वो कौन डिसाइड करता है बोलो तो क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशंस क्या है डिसाइड करती है. सो वेरियस क्लाइमेट फैक्टर्स डिटरमाइन द salinity of marine water, formation of oceans, currents, water cycle, etc. Now see, so the different kinds of the climatic factors are responsible for the different kinds of the activities in the nature. So you know that some animals live in the water, some are fly in the sky, some are walking on the ground. There are huge diversity of the living organism. The lifestyle of each and every living organism decided by the weather, decided by the climatic conditions. The weathering of rocks in the earth crust is also due to the climatic factors. Now see, the weathering of rocks in the earth crust is also due to the climatic factors. Thus, the formation and the enrichment of soil is due to the climate. Now see, the large amount of soil is formed due to the climatic conditions. जो हमारे रॉक से सॉइल, रॉक का सॉइल में जो कन्वर्ट होता है वो किसकी वजह से? ओनली ड्यू टू द climatic conditions. Microbes in the soil also depend upon the various climatic factors. The number of microbes that is present in the soil, the lifestyle of the microbes is mainly depending upon the climatic factors. जो सॉइल में क्या बोलो तो नंबर ऑफ माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म रहते हैं उनका भी लाइफ स्टाइल किसके ऊपर डिपेंड है, इज मेनली डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द क्लाइमेटिक फैक्टर्स. दे हेल्प इन द प्रोसेस ऑफ डिकम्पोजिशन एंड द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ ऑर्गेनिक मटेरियल्स. So climatic conditions play a very important role in the life of a microorganism. They help in the process of decomposition and the formation of organic substances. जो हमारे डेड एनिमल्स प्लांट्स के पार्ट्स का जो डिकम्पोजिशन होता है माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म के माध्यम से, वो किसकी मदद से होता है, तो विद द हेल्प ऑफ द क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशन. The study of meteorology plays an important role in the human life. Now see, the study of meteorology plays an important role in the human life. So what is the meaning of meteorology? अब तक जो हमने पढ़ा था importance of weather in the living world. अब तक जो हमने पढ़ा है what are the importance of weather for the living world. So first one point, human lifestyle directly or indirectly is depending upon the climatic conditions. Our plants, our animals, and the remaining living organism to form the natural environment on the earth, which is responsible for the development of a living organism. Understand? And next one, the diet, the clothing, housing, occupation, and the lifestyle of the people of that region. जो people उस जो एरिया में रहते हैं, उनका जो क्लोथिंग रहना, डाइट रहना, उनका जो डेली लाइफ का एक्टिविटीज है, ये किसके ऊपर डिपेंड है? इट्स entirely depend upon the prevailing climatic conditions. Understand? Thus, the type of lifestyle is decided by the climate. Understand? Now see, next one, the weathering of rocks in the earth crust is also due to the climatic factors. Now see, the weathering of rocks in the earth crust is only due to the climatic factors. Microbes in the soil also depend upon the climatic conditions. They decompose, and the formation of organic matter is mainly depending upon the climatic conditions. And the study of meteorology plays an important role in the human life. So meteorology plays a very important role in the human life. So these are the importance of weather for the living world. The next one, see, so what is the meaning of meteorology? Now see, meteorology का meaning क्या होता है, ध्यान में रखो. Now see, so what is the meaning of meteorology? ध्यान में रखिए, what is the meaning of meteorology? The meteorology is the science dealing with the interrelationship between the various components of air, natural cycles, geological movements of the earth. Now see, so meteorology is the science dealing with the interrelationship between the various components of air, natural cycles, geological movements of the earth. Now see, so meteorology is the science deals with the interrelationship between various components of earth, natural cycles, and the geological movements on the earth. Now see, so the meteorology क्या बोलते हो, साइंस में क्या बोलते हो, जो अर्थ के ऊपर जो अलग अलग कंपोनेंट्स है उसका वो किस तरह से रिलेशन है, ये किसके माध्यम से मालूम होता है, तो विद द हेल्प ऑफ मेट्रोलॉजी. नाउ सी, द मेट्रोलॉजी द साइंस the meteorology is the science dealing with the interrelationship between the various components of air, natural cycles, geological movement of geological movement of the earth. Movement of the earth. Understand? So meteorology, the science dealing with the interrelationship between the various components of air, natural cycle, geological movement of the earth. Okay, we'll stop here. We will continue on the next session. So in this session, we'll discuss about the what is the meaning of a weather and which factor deciding the weather at a place, and what are the role of weather in the human life, and what is the meaning of meteorology. Okay, stay safe, stay indoors from Universal Public School, Aurad, Shahjin.